Hello and welcome to this Audacity tutorial to make your voice sound a bit like BMO's. Please check that your Audacity version is up to date. I'm using 2.1.1. Let me start with a warning. Without a good voice actor, you will not be able to simulate this.
I like to visualize the emotion of pain and disconnection or being lost.
Alright, so let's start. Basically, you just record your voice first. I cannot speak like BMO. And then let's just split it to mono channels, remove one of them, and normalize. I cannot speak like BMO. I'm just gonna cut off a little. And what we want to do now is basically remove some frequencies. So we go to Effect, High Pass Filter, and we set it to 700. I cannot speak like BMO. And now we go to Effect, Low Pass Filter, and we set it to 7000. I cannot speak like BMO. And this is basically it. So if you have a nice voice actor, this will sound like BMO, unless perhaps it's too deep a voice, so you can play around with speed by setting it to something like 1.2.
I cannot speak like BMO.
That was way too much. Let's set it to 1.1.
I cannot speak like BMO.
Silly. Let's undo that and instead play around with pitch, change pitch. And we're gonna just increase it by, let's try 10%.
I cannot speak like BMO.
Pretty much the same effect. We can combine it with change speed.
I cannot speak like BMO.
You get the gist of it. But the voice acting is the main thing. Anyways, this is how you change the frequencies, so I hope this helped. Ciao! You know what? After listening to my tutorial at the end, I get the impression that it's a little weak. So if you want a stronger effect, there's a link to an astronaut effect in my video description down here, which seems to be much better, much stronger at least. So in my opinion, Adventure Time has a very subtle effect to BMO's voice. But if you can't really produce the accent, maybe you want to compensate by an overdone effect. So again, follow the link in the description and that should work just fine. Thanks.